Hello friends, today topic is management reporter data mart revealed. Why it is required? Management reporter used in Dynamics AX and it can be used in other ERP application also. Why we need management reporter? Is to just show the finance related data like profit loss statement, balance sheet. These are complex report which can be possible in management reporter only. Other tools also available, but mostly companies are using management reporter. But issues in management reporter is sometimes transaction missing in when you install your management reporter. It works well for sometimes, but after sometimes if data load happen, then it fails. That time what you need to do, you need to configure data mart for management reporter again to refresh the data. For new version some improvements are there, but still we need to rebuild the data mart, so we need to reconfigure it. How to reconfigure management reporter? Steps are shown here. First you need to go to your configuration. Just you need to, let me show in notepad. To go to configuration, just type configure console, or you only type console, then all command will come, then your management reporter configuration console will open. On that, if you want to rebuild your database for management reporter, there are two database for management reporter. One is for structure and one is for storing the data which connected to your Dynamics AX. First you open your management reporter configuration console. You go to your select your configuration, then in their name, here example, just you will get disable integration button there. You click on disable integration. After you disable the integration, you need to remove the integration configuration console. Just click on here, remove button will be there, configuration console. Once it removed, nothing will be there. Then next step, you need to stop the management reporter services, application and process. After that you need to find your management reporter data mart database into the SQL database, and there you need to delete that database means, and whatever database name, you don't try to reuse that name, you always give the some new name, otherwise on configuration error will come. Then on here file menu, configure button will be there, like here it's written, going to and click on configure. After configuration there are options, APT Dynamics AX 2012, then you click on second option, 8 Dynamics Data Mart 2012, if it is 29, then select go for first option. If it is GP, ERP or Navision or Dynamics SL, then you select as per your appropriate ERP. Click on new DB, provide details. Here above side you have to provide AOS details, AOS server name, admin username, then your port, then here above side Dynamics AX connected database name you need to give, and in database mart connection integration you need to define your data mart for management reporter database. and database server name also you need to specify. You can use Windows authentication if it admin right, otherwise you need to give SA system admin login here. Then your configuration will going to complete and new database will be there in the SQL. After that you go again to your configuration. Once everything's gone well, and click on enable database. Once it is done, you check your report. Now data refresh will be fine. So these are the simple steps to configure management reporter data mart. Given understanding in simple language. I hope you get all the points. You can try in your machine, your server, for your client customer. And thanks for watching this clip. If you like this clip, then don't forget to subscribe it. Thank you very much for watching this clip.